How to install MySQL in Windows 11. Hi, welcome to Tech Geek Insider. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial by which you can install Microsoft SQL Server on your computer systems running on Windows 11 or any other version of it. And mind it, this is the ultimate video, and after watching this video, you will not be required to watch any other video regarding the installation of MySQL Server, Workbench or any other stuff. So now without any further ado, now let's get started with this video titled Installation of MySQL 2023 on Windows 11. Go to your web browser and search for MySQL. Now click on the first result of web search where you can find the official website of MySQL as www.mysql.com. And now from here click on the download, and here you need to scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Here you can find all the MySQL community products which are available to be downloaded, and here we click on MySQL installer for Windows. From here you can select the version of MySQL that you want to download, and now click on the download button at second option that has a setup size of 331.3 MB. Now you will be directed to a final web page from where we can download the official setup of MySQL, and if you want to create an account on MySQL, then you can use login or sign up options. But in case you want to download MySQL directly without creating any account, then you can simply click the below option that says no thanks, just start my download, and within no time your downloading will be started. Now after download completion, just follow my all the instruction. Open the setup file. You need to click the full setup size to be installed. And then click next. After that click execute. Then wait for all the processes to be completed. Then click next, then next, then next, next, and then you need to fill your root password. Means your profile name is root and this is your password that you need to set. And then click next, click next, click next, click execute. All the configuration will be applied, and then click next, next. Now you need to fill the password that you have set earlier, and then click on check, and after check is successful click next and then execute, and then finish, and again next, then finish. And now your MySQL has been installed, and then your window will look like this. And we'll maximize the window, and from here we'll go on file and click on new query tab. From here we'll try to connect to the database, so we'll click on connect to database, and after that we'll click on OK. Then we'll be shown to fill the password, then we fill the password and click on the OK. And now you can see that our database has been connected, and here this no object selected will be shown. And now we will close this command prompt by typing exit, and your MySQL server has been installed successfully, and now you can do anything.